Hello and welcome to EasyLux. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Nova lights with the item numbers shown on screen. The lights are available in a variety of configurations. You can choose between different dimensions, milky or crystal diffuser, additional Bluetooth functionality, and additional light sensors. The lights also come in practical sets. The master lights control slave lights, as well as DALI devices. The presence detector in the master light boasts a 360-degree field of detection. Any sections of the field of detection that should not be monitored can be specifically masked off using the lens mask. Simply crop the lens mask as required. This device must be installed by authorized personnel only, in compliance with the installation regulations and standards applicable in the country of use. During the installation process, the 5 safety rules must be observed. The recessed surface-mounted ceiling light can simply be placed in the appropriate system ceiling. Remove the connector cover from the rear of the light. The master lights have the following connections: mains and button connections, plug-and-play RJ45 connections for connecting to slave lights, and DALI interfaces for controlling DALI devices. The DALI interface can also be used to communicate with other master lights. The operating voltage of the master lights is 230 volts AC. Connect the master lights in accordance with the terminal markings and the circuit diagram. Plug and play. A slave light can be connected to the master light using a pair of RJ45 cables. The slave light is powered and controlled by the master light. Up to 25 DALI devices can be connected to each of the 2 DALI interfaces. The master lights can also control tunable white DALI lights. CW and WW ports for the appropriate DALI channel are provided for the purpose of this connection. If you'd like to connect other DALI devices, use either the CW or WW connection for the appropriate channel. Once you've screwed the cover back into place, you can connect the power supply. The master light starts the warm-up phase every time the power is switched on. The lights are now ready for use. The master lights are equipped with a default program. These defaults can be changed according to preference. You can use the mobile PDI MDI universal remote control to do this. If you're using lights with Bluetooth functionality, you can also conveniently adjust the settings using the EasyLux Light Control app. Please also note that this video depicts the installation process only for the devices with the item numbers shown here. You can find more information about our products at easylux.com.